Just so you understand. Me clear the party up? Okay, thank you. But anyway, you see next time, you're ready for beat foot high? See you about ya. Suck your mother foot high.
Coulda walk or run. Somebody better figure jump and ground. The war start and I got done. Them a try hard to beat me.
Pull up one TV and a club of TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up.
Deva Bratt lead out Portmore Empire with the guns on a barrel and no entire. When me entire, me run the entire. Here can the tabernacle and the entire. Beat gun, beat gun, beat. A witch man bleach and wear clocks for feet. Hear me no beat gun, beat gun, beat.
Welcome my viewers and subscribers to Clabadem TV.
If me heart no clean and me no real.
Shella, you see any man with a jail and wake up with them old stiff a batty man. Yo, me da jail for 9 days already, you know. And every morning me wake up, me would sleep, you know, me fret your fuck. Yo, you see when me get bail and me come a road, and me wake up, me go in bed and sleep, and wake up the next morning, me would thief your fuck. Me glad your fuck. Hey, me now go back to jail now. Cause yo, you see jail, we make you all dead. And you're straight, man.
Even the little catfish me I talk about a while ago. I just bex them, you know. That you, my voice bigger and feel them finer. And then got doctor with them voice, but doctor tell them say them have too much vagina. You know what I mean? So when Cartel come from prison now, I don't link him the first night he come. I don't link him. For the whole other week, they don't link him. When him run a downtown street, them go link him.
So we see video, man. We want to see the video, man.
When you run a, me go link the dog, man. You tell me and tell us that me drop that video there.
Fling out some of them, man. Some people feel
yeah, watch out. Where do you when Cartel that prison, you know? About 2 old picture with me and him. And somebody comment on night and say, I friend him a beg. I'm just coming back on night and just give them one night Santa laugh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say nothing more. Alright.
Jafara ya represent, we'll pay just record. Anyhow, wanna tell them no man. Well, I never did that one for me. No for them never did one for me. When I wishing them I the sky. Life is like a paper.
Brother, the Deva is a good artist. I mean, I take the good artist side from him. He's very creative, but he's being creative on the wrong thing. He's creating new songs, and instead of him make it about Deva Bratt, he might make it about Cartel. I remember when the West was one was a good song. King Chilla is a good song. But where did they go? You can't tell me, oh, all right, the videos, when I laugh, everybody laugh when the man shoot popcorn and the popcorn turn popcorn, right? It didn't look good. The video with Adi and the pink sit, no, it didn't look good. You want me to tell you a lie? But where did it go? You know, say you lose your money. Somebody tell me where the video go. Where the video go? Where the song go? How long did it last? How much likes did it get? Did it bust? Did it make him bust? You know, say everything what you do, it'll work against you. Leave the man out of your mouth.
Understand? That video there. Video use the internet and like depend it and post it and I try it all over the internet. Then maybe it go somewhere, but him have the internet and now use up the internet.
Alright, here we go on now. You see, laziness in the blood clot push bus song. And too much I one thing not good. You ever hear them say? Too much I one thing not good.
Yeah, true.
Alright. Deva Bratt put himself in a one zone where him only talk about Adi. And him a beat Adi. And Adi now answer him. The world say you are go against the man and people now start pick up fever. Adi. Who never did like Adi, I pick up for Adi now. So Adi really not have to answer you. Because people are saying with the good way Adi are do, and you are see the bad. You are talking about the bad, and people are see the good. So you talking and what we are seeing is 2 different results. We are getting a result that artist bust back. When was the last time Ayatin have a good song? Richie Stevens have a good song. Bounty Killer get back in visa and come here, come have a good show. Beanie Man have a good show. Same Foota Hype where I burn out the man. Start get pan. How do you make your blood clot can go on a big stage? How do you see him when make can go on a big stage? Why before all of this? You never hear Beanie Man say, come Foota Hype. Why before Adi come out of jail, you never hear Foota Hype name mentioned? Why? Make it make sense, man. I who say, that's why I'm up in your mama batty boy. But that's why I'm your father, bitch. Or suck out your father batty wall. Suck out your father tribe. Drums. Fuck out of here. All a black under your mama. What's so?
They say one name I call everybody I eat a food out of it.
No, so alright, that's not what you see?
That me so I go on, yes, one name I call, one name I mention.
You don't think so because Cartel come out dance and lift up back?
Yeah, man, I see it, man. I read talk.
Anybody say, I know Cartel make that.
All the crucial family, them, the Deva Bratt fans, big up on yourself.
Lick up, get back or get capped. Bloods, I don't do lip chat, cause Deva Bratt trapping on this track. On this track, it's a diss track from making a hit song on a hit track. Locked on dancehall and hip hop, good luck when you tick clack, nick knock.
Pull up. Them no know we pain and we sufferation. Sleepless night can't find food for them. Lyrical thing them want fi pint and pan we get to youths and want fi proof pan. Them no know about we pain and we sufferation. Sleepless night can't find food for them. Lyrical thing them want fi pint and pan we get to youths and want fi proof pan. What bang? You must feel like me trust them a inch. Snake under the grass, such them out them with sting. Me no trust man, time me no know with them a thing. You left your food back and you can them with poison your drinks. Even if them bad mind a sin, so them band be a crab in a barrel, if you leave them and go on. Better must come, just one chant a psalms. The devil can't do, we no armed. We don't know about we pain and we sufferation. One at a mud, big up our supporters. Anyway, everywhere.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and done. Me no care who get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go jump and brum. The war start and I got done. Them a try hard repeat me. The pussy them a try.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.